Today we're going to have a quick look at these unknown outdoor lights. So we're doing this freehand today because I can't find the tripod. But I was given these by a family member who found them in a second-hand shop. They were about £5. I bought a Christmas light carrier rack from Aldi at Christmas to wrap them up with, to keep them tidy, because they are quite cumbersome. There's a lot of extra slack, so I've wrapped all that cable up and held it in place with a cable tie ready for when I need to put them up. There's a couple of spare bulbs, but although there is information on the label did fall off, and I've reattached it with some gaffer tape, mainly just so I've got the spare bulb information. They're a set of 40, extra low voltage, they're just static, they don't do anything. 24 volts, and the bulbs are 2.5 volts each. There is no fuse bulb. I'm guessing, I've never really noticed, but I'm guessing low voltage lights don't need a fuse bulb. And there's your IP rating. Now, there's no maker's mark on it. There is a serial number. That doesn't correlate to pifco lights the way they did their serial numbers. They're usually like a 4 or 5 number code. They could possibly be Premier, but I can't find any information in the archive for these lights. So they could be a non-brand, on-brand, take your pick. They're an interesting set of lights. They've got these pearlescent globes. They come in 4 colours. They come in red, blue, green, and like an orange. Again, there's quite interesting pearlescent look to them. I have seen these lights before, I just can't, they're not something I'd normally go for. Again, they were bought for me, so I might put them up in the garden and use them there, but they've got a nice interesting look to them. The shades slide off. These are glass. The base is plastic. It's just a push fit. There's no bayonet fitting or any way to attach it, lock it in place. There's your bulb holder. There is no like rubber seal or grommet. There's your gutter or branch connector clip, so you can slide it onto a branch or possibly even a gutter. Might be a little bit too small for a gutter, but at least they've got clips to attach with. Cable's quite thin. It's thinner than old style Christmas lights with the light green or white cable. The bulbs are push-in. They're quite thin. They're quite slender compared to normal lights. The adapter is chunky. It weighs a substantial amount. It weighs about £1. What's the only information on it? H. So again, no idea what brand they are. If anybody's got any clues what brand these lights are, let us know in the comments. But I just thought I'd get this set featured, and then maybe we can get some information in the comment section, and then we can add that information to the archive with pictures, and we know who makes them. Put that back on, and we'll get them plugged in. They've got quite a nice warm glow. The pearlescent colouring doesn't seem to come through much on reflection. It almost looks like they're burned or hot even though it's like a paint effect that's been added to it. Again, not something I'd normally go for, but they were bought as a gift, so I'll probably put them up in the garden and enjoy them. I normally don't like coloured lights. I usually save them for Christmas. I usually have white or warm white lights outside for a nice warm glow, but again, I'll use these. All the bulbs work. There's no blown bulbs. I've got spare bulbs for them, and I also have the information on the label if I need to buy some more. So again, just a quick little video. Let us know if you've got these lights or you know who makes them. They could possibly be Premier. I'm putting my money on that they're Premier lights. Again, I've had a look in the archive, can't find any Premier lights that look like these, but I've got a suspicion that might be who makes them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.